Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. In today's video,
Is car washing time.
car washing time.
Mm.
I'm so grateful guys kasi I'm so grateful and I'm so amazed dito sa US guys kasi first time ko naka-experience na bumili kami pang gamit. This is my first time to experience na bumili kami pang gamit to washing the car guys. Washing the car. Tapos ito yung mga equipment guys, oh, sobrang dami. So this is towel. Tapos ito yung, I don't know, maraming towel. Tapos ito guys is siguro pang cleaning after you wash the car. Tapos ito, pag hindi mo naman maabot yung sa taas,
Tapos?
ito yung gagamitin. Ito yung gagamitin mo guys. Na may ano dito, may pull na gagamitin mo. Tapos ito naman ay sa window shield. Ching. Tapos ito, marami yung gamit. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Tapos ito guys, pang brush, pang scrub. Tapos, so, hindi mo naman maabot. Ito yung gagamitin mo pang scrub kung saan. Tapos ito naman guys, ay yung ito naman ay pang sa wheels. Brush sa wheels. Tapos ito yung nabili namin
That's
sa
wheel brush?
Wheel brush.
Oh.
And Daddy, I want to ask you a question. When did you last wash the car?
By myself. By myself.
Yes, by yourself.
Maybe 40 years ago.
48 years.
40 years.
40 years ago, buang na yun.
Wow.
When?
When I was maybe 25.
25 years old?
Yeah.
25 years old. And how old are you now? 66. 25 years na buwang na din.
Buwang na.
And where's that? In Sweden?
Yeah.
So who wash all your cars then when you have a car?
Yeah, then when I wash the car. Yeah.
Who washed the car?
Huh?
Who washed the car? Since between that years, 25 years into 66
Oh,
years.
you're buying a car wash. I mean, when you...
Oh, you buy the car. You pay people to wash the car. And ngayon nga guys, ay dalawang car ang aking hugasan. And sa akin man guys, last ko na naghugas ng sasakyan ay 2021. Before I came here.
21? Oh.
2021 before before pumunta ako dito sa US. July 6, 2021 bago ako mag-fly dito.
It's only 4 years ago, so you washed the car?
Yes. And you know ano ang pinakasa doon guys? Kasi almost every day naghuhugas ka ng yung naghuhugas ka ng sasakyan, lalo sa inisamo mo everyday yun. Tapos isang towel lang talaga ginagamit mo plus car soap, yun lang talaga. So kaya this time 2 cars ang aking gagamitin. Nung sa Singapore ako isa lang. So this time, dalawang sasakyan na ating hugasan. Tapos, yeah, I will wash all these things. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's roll.
So, ang una kong hugasan ay which one do you want me to wash first?
Yeah, what do you want?
Maybe Jaguar.
Yeah, maybe that's
maybe I can wash the Mercedes first.
Okay.
And this is last one. Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna wash the Mercedes first. And tara guys, let's go. So this one first, we have to dissolve the water.
Michaela, learn how to do it now. Learn. Oh, you want to fill up this?
Yeah, I have to dissolve the water first and the soap with water. You know that, right? So we put water here first. Hold this one because it's gonna flush it. This one was give me first. Put that down, Daddy.
How much did you add some already?
Not yet.
Why is there so much soap? Maybe old soap. But don't you spray water on the car first?
Of course,
before
you have to.
Yeah.
Alam nyo
What?
guys,
Ah,
alam nyo guys, alam nyo guys, nakakamiss yung ano, yung maghugas ng sasakyan. Kasi doon sa Singapore ng OFW ako, every week and every day ako naghuhugas ng sasakyan. Dalawang employer. Sa Chinese kong employer ay every day ako naghuhugas ng sasakyan. Tapos sa pangalawang amo ko once a week lang. Tapos ngayon ulit ako nakapaghugas ng sasakyan. Nung sa condo kami, palagi sabi naghugas ng sasakyan sa labas, binabayaran niya lang kasi bawal doon sa condo at wala silang provider na mga gamit doon, so you have to go out to wash the car. And yeah, this time na naman ulit ako maghugas ng sasakyan and I really miss it. Okay, so close the door, Daddy.
you.
Go close
Whoa.
the door because the aircon is on.
Yeah. Come here, Lance. You want to come out? We are? No.
Okay, so tara guys,
Mercedes?
maghugas tayo. Mercedes muna unahin ko.
Ey, oy. Ah, oy. What?
Can you move the camera, Daddy? Move the camera there. Ito na. Yan, ganun daw, ganun. Diba? Sobrang bilis lang, guys. Yung ating sabon ay hindi masyado mabula. Siguro maraming tubig nilagay ko sa aking sabon kaya hindi masyado mabula.
I mean, we might need to buy another hose, but not now. I gotta do this.
Yes, Daddy, what did you say? Napaka-high-tech dito sa US, guys. No? Very convenient talaga sa lahat. Yung walang pahirapan. Hindi ka maghihirap ng sobra-sobra. Kasi lahat ay make everything easy. Yan ang nagustuhan ko dito sa US. And also, pag may pira ka lang talaga, guys, easy lahat. And it's not really about fancy or pagka-social ang buhay dito. Sometimes talaga pag ganito, saving times talaga dito sa US. Saving time. Kaya ginagawa nilang very easy. Ito naman Mercedes, guys. Hindi naman to masyado madumi. Yung Jaguar lang talaga. kasi kabibili lang din namin itong Mercedes and bagong service lang ito guys. So kaya hindi masyado madumi. Pero yung Jaguar since used to pa.
Oh, you think you don't need to? I thought the moving. I can't move it close here. You know.
Yeah, you can move after I brush, Daddy.
Okay. Yeah. It's fine. Just yeah, we should buy another hose. It's so cheap. I mean, like $10. What is it? $20?
$49.
Huh?
Maybe 49. Yeah, tapos ano guys, yung ito is not really very dirty. It's just the Jaguar. Kasi yung Jaguar na yun ay hindi namin, ilang months talaga hindi namin nilinisan yan pati sa loob, Diyos ko. Kasi nga, sobrang hirap maglinis doon sa pundo. Eh, minsan lang talaga namin. Minsan lang sabi nagkakawas kasi hindi naman nag-drive most of the time. Tapos mahal naman magkarwas doon di ate. Kaya sabi ko, pag nag-move tayo ng bahay, hugasan ko na yan. Ako na maglinis. Pero guys, ang ililipat ni Happy yung sasakyan doon sa kabila kasi yung short ng ano, hindi mahaba yung hose namin. So ililipat ko doon sa kabila. Guys, ito ang brush. Ito guys, ito yung brush na ginagamit sa wheels. Sobrang practical guys, napaka-easy.
Yeah, I think it's okay, not bad. Yeah, this is nice. I think I got all the papers for the car this time now.
Oh really?
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay, so let's go to the other one. Use these things for Michaela. This one is for drying, I think. Can you remove that, Daddy, the brush, and use the other one for drying?
This one?
And use this one for drying.
Oh.
Yeah, use it. Or else you don't have to dry it.
This way?
Go and dry.
You dry now?
So
Really?
now it's time to dry. O diba? Ang galing.
I hope it doesn't get more dirty now.